Ambassador TV has announced that opening its branch in Benishangul Gumuz region at Asosa City. Nowadays, Ambassador TV is becoming the best and popular media in Ethiopia currently in short period of time. The Asosa City social media controls and administration officer Mr. Jamal Ahmed said that Ambassador TV should expand its branch in Ethiopia's regional cities even out of the country like neighboring countries in order to increase its viewers and to address its each programs and news to a lot of audience. Mr. Ahmed Jamal also said that they had signed with the Ambassador TV reporters whose name is BBC in order to open the new branch in Asosa City.
Ambassador TV is the best media in Ethiopia. For this reason, we want to expand its branch by signing form in Asosa City.
The reporter BBC said that they were trying to expand their branches within Ethiopia's regional cities as a result of the media is popular. Ambassador TV is the popular media in Ethiopia. For that reason, we are expanding our branches. Finally, both Mr. Ahmed Jamal and the reporter BBC have agreed to work together and for the progress of Ambassador TV as an international media, and they reflect their message to you guys to subscribe this channel.